I'm Jeannot, energy expert at Kiona, and we are here at the ISH together with CAREL. Imagine having a toolbox that lets you design, scale and tweak without limits. Our platform makes this a reality. Built on an open technology, the Kiona platform helps you connect, visualize and monitor data, making it easier to create smart solutions for any automation, energy efficiency or reporting needs. Our flexible platform provides software for building integration and enables you to work with multiple system protocols and third-party applications in a single solution. Here at the ISH, we put a bit of extra spotlight on one of our solutions for connected buildings, Webport. Webport is a SCADA platform that is one of the most used platforms in Scandinavia for connecting buildings and its technical installations into one platform for building automation. What makes Webport special is its independence, scalability and flexibility, evolving over the past decade through close collaboration with integration partners and the diverse requirements of building owners, tenants and policymakers, giving you more than the traditional HMI, BMS or SCADA system. Our independent building integration system, Webport, combines all data, technical equipment and systems from all properties with data from third-party applications and other parts of an organization. Webport allows you to connect, visualize, monitor and create smart, customized solutions for almost any automation, energy efficiency and reporting challenges. Use the system for small and large projects, locally, in the building and in the cloud. Save time during integration, installation and operation with the platform's architecture, openness and time-saving features. Have complete control over the solution you create. You as a partner decide what hardware to use, who you work with, what functionality is needed, how to deploy and the look of the final solution. We create Webport together with our integration partners since the start. It is essential to meet the unique needs of the building owners while developing a system with smart features that reduce integration and installation time for building integrators and automation experts. Working closely with our partners over the past decade has resulted in an incredibly flexible and efficient software that both partners and building owners appreciate. Here at ISH, we would love to meet both current partners of ours and potential ones who are interested in our open, flexible and independent platform.
Kiona, we futurize the property ecosystem.